Hi everyone, welcome to English class. This is level 1, week 1, video 2. So welcome to level 1 Ventures. Today we are learning unit 6, lesson A, B, C, D, and E. Today we are going to review lessons A, B, and C, and we're going to learn a little bit in D and E. We are also going to learn the weather and online literacy. You are probably watching this video between April 6th and April 17th, but I am making this video between April 2nd and April 5th. So let's start with the warm-up for today. I want you to do the day of the week, the date, the weather, and the temperature. So you can stop the video and write in everything here. For me, today is Sunday. The month is April. The date is the 5th. The year, 2020. What day is today? For me, today is Sunday. The date is April 5th, 2020. The weather is sunny. And the temperature is about 70 degrees. So tell me, what is today for you? What is the date for you? What is the weather? What is the temperature? Okay, so in the last video, we learned leave a comment, group chat, and reply. Let's learn it again. Leave a comment means to write something. You post something online. Usually, you leave a comment on Facebook or on YouTube. When you post on YouTube and you have a question, make sure you write your name so I know who I'm talking to. Group chat. Group chat is a lot of people, a group of people talking together. For us, we have WhatsApp. Some people have WeChat or Facebook Messenger is a group chat. In a group chat, I have your name, so you don't need to write your name. When you send messages, sometimes you ask a question, so it is my job to reply. When I reply, I give you an answer. I send back a message. I reply to your question. This is a new word, optional. O-P-T-I-O-N-A-L. Optional. Optional. Optional means if you want to do something, you can do it, but you do not need to do it. So if I go to the store and I buy flowers, or if I buy a toy, it's optional. I don't need to buy flowers. I don't need to buy a toy. But if I want to buy one, I can. It's optional. Required. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E-D. Required. Required. Required means you need to do it. If I go to the store and I buy food, or I buy clothes, I buy water, I buy medicine, it is required. I need to go buy food. I need to buy medicine. It's required. Toys or flowers are optional. You don't need to buy toys, but you can. But you need to buy food to eat. It's required. So let's use this on the website. Okay, this is the class website here. So let's go to our class. This is week 1 from April 6th to April 10th. Video 1.1 is required. It means you need to do this. Student workbook page 70 to 75 required. You need to do this. Homework is optional. Optional. If you want to do the homework, you can, but you do not need to do the homework. Video 1.2. This is what you're watching right now. Required. Homework. Optional. Required. Oops. Let's go back. If you want to watch the video, just hit video here, and it takes you to the video. Now let's get some practice with verbs. We have I, you, we, they for pronouns, and he, she, it. This is different, and this is different. I, you, we, they. To do is do. To go, go. To read, read. To exercise, exercise. I do, I go, I read, I exercise. We do, we read. They go, they exercise. With he, she, it, we write the S. So he does, he goes, he reads, he exercises. She does, she goes, she reads, she exercises. We have I, you, we, they, study, watch, take, have. What are these words for he, she, it? What is study for he, she, and it? Studies, watches, takes, has. I, you, we, they, we keep the word the same. He, she, it, we write the word with the letter S. And remember, we only change the first verb. So let's look at this. To do, you, to have a cold. The pronoun here is you. You. So let's see. This is the first verb. This is the second verb. So let's do the second verb. The second verb, we don't change. So we just erase to, and we have. To do, with you. You do. Do you? Do you have a cold? Yes, I do. No, I do not. Okay? I want you to do this one. You can stop the video and finish this. Okay, so this is verb number 1, and this is verb number 2. So with the number 2, we don't change it. So we just get rid of 2, we erase 2, and we have need. Here we write need. Here. This is the first verb. This is the one that we change. To do with she. Well, let's see. I, you, we, they do. He, she, it does. So to do with she is does. Does she need a job? Yes, she does. No, she does not. Okay, let's learn time. The most important question is, what time is it? What time is it? Right now, for me, it is 12:30. Let's see, what time is it? It is 8 a.m. It is 8 in the morning. It is 8 o'clock. These are the same. It is 8 a.m. It is 8 in the morning. It is 8 o'clock. So we can say it is 11 a.m., it is 11 in the morning, it is 11 o'clock. If we say p.m., let's say it is 2 p.m., it is 2 in the afternoon. It is 2 p.m., it is 2 in the afternoon. It is 2 o'clock. If we say 7 p.m., it is 7 p.m., it is 7 in the evening. It is 7 p.m., it is 7 in the evening. It is 7 o'clock. And then we have 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. It is noon. It is 12 p.m. It is midnight. At night, it is 12 a.m. Noon. During the day, noon is 12 p.m. 12 a.m. is at night, midnight. So let's look at this. 10:30. It is 10:30. What time is it? It is 6:15. It is 6:15. It is 12:01. It is 12:01. It is 12:01. If the minute is from 1 to 9, we say, oh, it is 12:01. So here is 12:05. Can you tell me this one? What is the time here? It is 12:09. This is 12:01, 12:05, 12:09. And this is 12:10. So this is 12:05. This is 12:09. And this is 12:10. This is time. Here I'm asking you, what time is it? What time of the day, time of the night? Now I ask you, how long? How long is how many hours? How many minutes? How long is this video? This video is 1 hour long. How long do you sleep? I sleep for how many hours? Do you sleep for 7 hours? Do you sleep for 9 hours? Do you sleep for 8 hours? How many hours do you sleep? I sleep for 8 hours. I sleep for 6 hours. How long does it take? It takes 1 hour. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes. Another way you can say 30 minutes is half hours. It takes 2.5 hours. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes. It takes 2.5 hours. It takes 8 hours and 37 minutes. So now, I want to ask you, what time do you go to sleep? What time do you go to sleep? I go to sleep at 11 p.m. I go to sleep at midnight. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. What time do you go to sleep? I go to sleep at. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 8 a.m. I wake up at 9 a.m. I wake up at noon. I wake up at 12. What time do you wake up? Okay. And How long do you sleep? How long do you sleep? Do you sleep for 6 hours? I sleep for 6 hours. I sleep for 7 hours. I sleep for 8 hours. Tell me, what time do you sleep? What time do you wake up? And how long do you sleep? Okay, now I want you to tell me, when do you cook food for dinner? When do you cook dinner? I cook dinner at, because here we have the word at, so we know I'm talking about a time. So what time do you cook dinner? I cook dinner at 5:30 p.m. I cook dinner at 5:30. How? This word is how. How long does it take? How long does it take to cook dinner? It takes 30 minutes. Maybe it takes 30 minutes. Maybe it takes 1 hour. Maybe it takes 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and a half is 1 hour and 30 minutes. How long does it take you to cook dinner? It takes how long? When do you eat dinner? When do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at. Again, we have the word at. So we know the next word is a time. What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 6:30. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. When do you eat dinner? What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at